Hello. This is Latanya, Miss Coach Deloach, and this is video 3 of the 30 for 30 financial challenge. We're helping 30 families in 30 days on the pathway to financial freedom and financial success, right? So let's recap the previous videos I've already done. Video number 1, we talked about the current lifestyle that's paid for by your labor and your future lifestyle that must be paid for by your investments, right? Something has to work, but just not you. At some point, you're going to get tired of working. You don't want to work. You might be disabled to work, but you need future investments in place so you don't have to work. Video 2 was about one of the 4 challenges that keep you from meeting your financial objectives. It was about inflation, right? The silent income killer. It just goes into your income and drops it down every single day. Because in this country, it's called free enterprise. Business owners can increase the cost of goods and services when they feel like it's not a bad thing. It's just a bad thing if your income is limited and you can't outpace inflation. Very few people calculate inflation when they're trying to get ahead financially. And this is something that my econ and myself teach you how to do. So today I'm talking about the second challenge. There's 4 challenges. So inflation is the silent killer. So guess what the second challenge is? The chainsaw massacre. It's taxes. It's taxes. Do you all know a lot of people try to budget their way out of a financial mess or debt and they can't do it because the number one expense you have are your taxes. Let me give you an example. You make $50,000 a year. The government takes $18,000 off the top if you have a W-2. Then you take home $32,000. Now, where in the world do you see another $18,000 coming out the top of your paycheck? It's not your shoes, it's not your clothes. Husband is not your wife. Ladies, it's not your husbands. It's not eating out. $18,000 went out the door before you even saw it. So that's your biggest expense if your taxes, right? So basically, you work for the government on a W-2. There's nothing wrong with a job, but you're working for your boss and you work for the government. You work for the government 1/3 of the year because they take 1/3 of your check. Now, I don't know about you, but when I learned I worked for the United States government from January to April, I needed to make a shift of where my money was going because I can't work for my boss and my government, right? So having a job is a great thing, but the government has carved their way into your life because of taxes. Now, this is not about tax evasion. It's about tax minimization. We already have property taxes, sales taxes, right? We have liquor taxes. You have state taxes. You have federal taxes. You have all these taxes. Do you know your income taxes are the one tax that you can control because it's your income? And a lot of people don't know that. So what we do and what I do is teach people strategies, not sales, not hypes, real strategies that wealthy people do that they just don't teach you in schools, right? So if you're watching this video and you want to learn more, just text me, MIN, that stands for minimize, TAX, right? Minimize taxes. So that's the code word, the keyword to text me today. You can text me at 601-720-2063. So let's minimize our taxes and keep more money into your pocket, right? And so again, send me a text.